The crested Polish chicken is a popular and ornamental breed known for its distinctive and dramatic feather crest. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. The crest is large, round, and fluffy, covering their eyes and head. They are known to be curious and can become quite tame with regular handling. Generally calm and friendly, though the crest can limit their vision, making them more prone to startle. Polish cap chicken are primarily kept for ornamental purposes due to their striking appearance. These chicken can be shown in poultry exhibitions. Polish chickens are cherished both for their unique looks and their gentle demeanor, making them a favorite among chicken enthusiasts and hobbyists. Hope you enjoyed watching these beautiful chicken. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.